Today, we both are immensely excited to be your host for this wonderful event. Siddharth, let me tell you, you are looking dashing as always. How are you doing today?
I am doing very, very good. निशा और आपकी खूबसूरती के देखकर I am more excited.
Friends, the journey of an icon is never easy. You have grown with your success amidst the current limitations. And let me tell you, through it all, you have emerged as icons, as inspirations to everyone around. Now it's their turn to shine in this limelight, to soak in the admiration and respect. Can we have the AD, please? I have been hosting shows for ICICI Prudential since the last 3 years, and I have to admit this. Today's Candidly Your segment has been one of the best that I have ever witnessed. Let me tell you, it was so amazing to know our leaders up close and personal, and I'm so glad you've already made plans, our lunch plans. We are going to have pasta with Bhavani sir. We are having Sanjay ji ke ghar biryani. We are going to have sabudana khichdi with Vinod sir. And Sid, listen to me, one very important thing. अमित सर जैसी जॉलाइन है ना, सुना क्या? अमित सर जैसी जॉलाइन वो सुजीत सर के पेंटिंग स्किल से नहीं, अमित सर के वर्कआउट स्किल से आती है.
मैं अभी दौड़ूंगा इसके बाद.
It's now time for us to move forward to our next set of icons of Agency Channel. And to do the honors, I would like to invite Mr. Sanjay Singh, Chief Agency Officer. Hello, sir. How are you doing?
I'm, doing very well, Nisha.
So, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with the award ceremony. And our very first icon in this category of agency frontline managers is Anil Kumar, rank 2 from Jaipur. Congratulations. Hello, sir. You're looking very smart today. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Can I have the lovely Nisha back again? Nisha.
हम generally live shows host करते हैं सिर्फ. Of course, we are happy to see the excitement of all those. But today, I felt so good to see them along with their families, their children, their husbands and wives. Becoming an icon is definitely not an easy job. बहुत मेहनत लगती है, बहुत perseverance चाहिए होता है. And today, I am so overwhelmed that I have some more go-getters who have defied all the odds and who have emerged as icons. And now for a final set of awards, the icons of partnership distribution, PSF and ISEC channel, I would like to call Mr. Bhavani Singh Patania, Chief Partnership Distribution and Proprietary Distribution Officer. Bhavani sir, how are you doing?
Absolutely fine.
The beautiful motivational references that you gave of Virat Kohli, Mahatma Gandhi and Winston Churchill, that's going to stay with me forever now. Thank you so much for that. So let's begin with the award ceremony, and our very first icon in this category is Tiyamol Joshi, rank 2 from Cochin MG Road. Congratulations, Tiyamol! Congratulations! Moving forward, we have Ankush Gupta, rank 2 from Kota Aerodrome Circle. Oh my God! I have such a beautiful couple in front of me. You'll make a great pair. Congratulations! We have Nisha Krishna Kumari, rank 3, Coimbatore PC. Congratulations, Nisha! Nisha, I have to tell you, all girls with the name Nisha are super talented. We have Amarnath C, rank 4 from Gulbarga. Hey, Gitira sir!
Well done, Amar.
We have Priyanka Datta from Kolkata, Dum Dum, rank 5. Okay, the best frame award goes to Priyanka. That's one beautiful family and I love your dog. Congratulations. Our next category is Partnership Distribution Frontline Managers, and our very first icon in this category is Vijay Chaube from Mumbai Andheri Amboli, rank 2. I finally have someone from Amchi, Mumbai, Vijay. Hello Vijay, high five from Sarin.
Well done, Vijay.
Next idol is Jeeva Rathinam S from Coimbatore PC, rank 5.
Well done, Jeeva.
Perfect, doing good. Congratulations. Congratulations to all our digital winners. Thank you so much for all the family members who have joined us today. We now have partnership distribution winners. Rightly said, this has been a fantastic evening, but I'm sure you're going to remember this for a long time. I have something that will make sure that you will remember this evening forever. I have a special surprise lined up for everyone. And for that, before I announce the surprise, we are going to take a quick break. We are going to recharge ourselves to celebrate the night away with some iconic beats. And believe me, you do not want to miss out on this. Come back right here at sharp 7:30 for iCruise Social to unwind the musical night.
All right, but जाने से पहले मैं एक शेर अर्ज करना चाहता हूँ. निशा तुम वाह करना प्लीज. हाँ, करोगी कि नहीं?
क्यों नहीं?
दिल से हर लाइन के बाद.
अच्छा एक बात बताओ, तुमने जो इतनी अति सुंदर पोइट्री जो सुनाई थी ना पैनल डिस्कशन में, उस पे भी सबने फेक वावा करी ही थी.
ओए वो दिल से था, फेक नहीं था. हाँ, बहुत दिल से था यार. अच्छा अभी तुम भी बड़े कशिश वाला करना. ओके,
अच्छा
अर्ज किया है.
इरशाद.
वो छन छन करके आई.
वावा वावा वावा.
वो छन छन करके चली गई.
वावा वावा वावा.
मैं सिंदूर लेकर खड़ा था.
वाह 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 वाह.
वो राखी बांध कर चली गई.
वाह 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 वाह.
Hey Nisha, you've been a great host. Fabulous working with you. Nisha, enjoy your 7:30. Bye.